We are headed off to California. Look at the smoke. There's a fire and you can see nothing. So we were trying to leave at 10 o'clock and it is 11, so we're kind of close, but we're on our way now. So this is our first morning. We have two projects planned. One is going to be trying to figure out why we don't have water when we have a full tank. And then the second is going to be trying to find our black water tank for the head and removing the head. This is going to be my project. I'm going to try and get that removed. I need to try and find the black water tank, which I think is under the V-berth. Which means I gotta clean up all of this. Or at least some of that. See what we can do. Okay, so the door's off. Now I'm going to remove the cabinet door right there. I want to make lots of room so I can remove the head. Possibly that tank. We'll see. We need to fix this anyway. The wood is kind of rotted on the bottom, so. Phillips.
My job this morning is to try to figure out our water tank situation. We appear to have full water tanks, but no water. I shut it off.
Here's the valves. They run over to the galley. This is what he's looking at.
I'm turning the water on.
What'd you do? How'd you get water?
It's the right tank. We know tank 2 is full. There's a manifold in here. There's one valve you can't see. So if that tank's empty and you got that valve open, it sucks air.
Oh, so it wouldn't prime.
Yeah. So it's back behind there. You look at it from here, you can't see it. But let's see how clean it is.
Time to get to work. These are all from removing the thruhull, I think. Let's find some tools. Looks like I'm gonna need a slotted screwdriver and a crescent wrench. So I'm not sure if you can see, but we've already removed the through hole. Okay, so I already got one of the hose clamps undone. I have every line disconnected already. There's what it looks like without the head. Next, to remove the platform. So there's what we're working with now. How's it going, Bruce? Oh, wow.
You know, cut this about like that. You'll have a full.
I like that.
I'll make a little deal that fits here for you.
For my little short legs.
Mm-hmm. You sit on top.
It's pretty awesome. So while Bruce is working on the head, I'm going to go ahead and remove these cushions and paint the compartments behind. Watch out, Coco. I'll clean them. Paint them. Let's get going. Okay, so while I was painting, I realized that just painting the compartments wasn't going to be enough. So I'm repainting all of the bottom. And then I noticed that we don't have a lee cloth. The hooks are there. If you can see, I got the hooks for lee cloth. But I don't have a lee cloth, so I'm going to have to make that also. When I redo the cushions, I'll go ahead and make that also. Now I'm going to finish painting this. Okay, so I'm almost done with this, but Bruce just left to go to the store. And he's been working really hard on putting in this composting head. And I look, so I look and look at all this nastiness under here. So I'm going to try and paint it too. It's been like this since we bought the boat. So I'm going to try and paint it before it gets back. So here I go. Here's what it looks like. It's all white now. And I got one coat on all of this. I'm going to do the second coat right now. I think I'm calling it quits for the day. Doesn't look so bad. Bruce is working on one of our port lights. It didn't have a glass. I'll show you one of the before videos where it had a plastic bag over it.
Trying to get that screw out. You see it, one out, and there's one more at the top. Yeah. This one ain't moving.
Well, let there be a port light. We'll go look at it from the outside now. So this does not look so pretty, but at least there's glass in it now. So just have to clean this up, which is okay. I need to wash this part also that I couldn't get yesterday because we put it in the composting head and you put the vent right there, which is going to need a clamshell. While I was painting the bathroom, Bruce was outside cleaning the cabin top, I guess. And when I looked inside the V-berth, this window was leaking pretty good. Looks like somebody did a prior repair on it.
There's no sealant in there.
Bruce found no sealant. Nothing in between the glass and the frame.
Just dog hair.
It wasn't our dog either. So this is the port light that Bruce just found leaking. This is the area that I gotta clean. I got the tape off of this one. So I just gotta do a little scrubbing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe.